Mustafa John. Thank you for taking us to places unseen. Mustafa John, exploring the world, living the dream.
Hello everyone, I am Mustafa John. Welcome to John Studio. This is the 38th episode of the Thailand series. Today I explore Chinatown by walking. My friends Majid, John, and Ikram join me on this walking tour. Mahmoud stays at the hostel because he is not feeling well. We enter the Chinatown market, a lively and bustling place. The market is full of colorful shops and different businesses. I see many tourists and locals shopping and exploring. On the footpath, we notice several food stalls. The aroma of different foods fills the air. We check the food stalls, but no halal food is available. We decide not to eat anything here. The streets of Chinatown are narrow and crowded. People walk in every direction, carrying shopping bags. The buildings have bright red and golden decorations. I spot traditional Chinese lanterns hanging above the streets. Many shops sell souvenirs, clothes, and accessories. Some vendors display fresh fruits and vegetables. I see a shop selling dried herbs and medicines. A vendor is preparing fresh sugarcane juice. We hear the sound of street musicians playing traditional instruments. The market is lively with the sounds of bargaining and conversations. Some shopkeepers greet us with smiles. I notice a shop selling beautiful porcelain dishes. A street artist is painting a portrait of a customer. I capture some amazing shots with my DSLR camera. The smell of roasted chestnuts drifts through the air. A group of tourists is taking pictures near a temple entrance. The temple has intricate carvings and golden statues. I step closer to admire the details of the architecture. A small shop is selling traditional Chinese calligraphy scrolls. The shopkeeper demonstrates how to write with a brush. A man is carving a dragon figure from wood. We come across a shop selling silk scarves and fabrics. The fabrics have vibrant colors and elegant patterns. I see children enjoying traditional Chinese snacks. A vendor is making handmade dumplings at his stall. The neon signs on the buildings light up as the evening approaches. Chinatown looks even more beautiful with its glowing lights. We continue walking and enjoying the lively atmosphere. I feel excited to capture more of Chinatown's beauty on my camera. This walking tour is an unforgettable experience. GH Chinatown. We visit a traditional Chinese medicine store in Chinatown. The shop is small but filled with shelves of herbal remedies. The air carries a strong aroma of dried herbs and medicinal oils. A friendly shopkeeper welcomes us with a warm smile. He explains, the benefits of different herbal medicines. I look around and see jars filled with roots, dried flowers, and spices. There are also glass bottles containing herbal tonics and extracts. I buy a painkiller massage cream for my mother. Majid also buys the same cream for his mother. The shopkeeper recommends a special herbal oil for joint pain. I notice neatly packed herbal teas that claim to improve digestion. Some customers are discussing their health concerns with the shopkeeper. A man picks up a packet of dried ginseng, known for its energy-boosting properties. The shop has a strong scent of menthol and medicinal herbs. I see traditional Chinese medicine books placed on a wooden counter. The shopkeeper carefully wraps our items in paper bags. He explains how to use the cream for the best results. Majid and I thank him before leaving the store. The experience feels unique and educational. We step out of the shop, ready to explore more of Chinatown. The energy here is unlike anywhere else in Bangkok, with people constantly moving. The historic charm of the old buildings blends perfectly with the modern neon lights. I notice the roads are filled with motorbikes, tuk-tuks, and pedestrians. Small alleyways branch off from the main street, hiding secret markets and local shops. Some of the buildings have beautiful Chinese characters painted on their doors. The street vendors set up their stalls early in the morning and continue late into the night. I see a Chinese bakery selling fresh pastries and mooncakes. Many locals visit Chinatown to buy special ingredients for traditional Chinese dishes. There are countless gold shops, each displaying glittering necklaces and bracelets. Elderly shop owners sit outside their stores, watching the busy street life. A young boy helps his parents arrange fruits at their market stall. A group of tourists excitedly take selfies in front of a giant Chinese archway. Businessmen in suits rush past the street food stalls holding cups of iced tea. A mother and her child stop at a toy vendor, looking at small dragon figurines. An old man sits quietly on a stool, smoking a pipe and observing the crowd. A group of monks in orange robes walks past, adding a peaceful contrast to the busy street. A man wearing a traditional Chinese hat sells handmade paper lanterns. A young woman carefully selects dried seafood from a vendor's stall. Some street musicians play soft tunes with traditional Chinese instruments. Chinatown's markets are packed with everything from clothes to electronics. Many shops sell rare herbs used in traditional Chinese medicine. Sea-dried mushrooms, star anise, and other exotic spices neatly arranged in baskets. Some stalls are selling preserved duck eggs, a Chinese delicacy. A vendor is busy roasting coffee beans, filling the air with a rich aroma. One shop specializes in vintage Chinese teacups, each one with intricate designs. I find a store selling hand-woven bamboo baskets in all sizes. Some shops here have been passed down for generations, keeping family traditions alive. A man is painting delicate designs onto ceramic bowls with expert precision. Handmade fans with colorful patterns hang beautifully in a small souvenir shop. Chinatown is famous for its roasted duck, displayed in glass cases outside restaurants. A street vendor uses a giant wok to stir-fry fresh vegetables and tofu. I watch a chef tossing noodles high in the air before serving them in a steaming bowl. The scent of grilled squid fills the air, as a vendor carefully turns them over hot coals. A small stand sells fresh dragon fruit, lychees, and durian. A woman prepares bubble tea, shaking the cup to mix the flavors. I pass a bakery with freshly baked pineapple buns lined up neatly on trays. A stall sells handmade dim sum, each piece crafted with care. People line up at a famous restaurant known for its crispy pork belly. Another food cart serves deep-fried bananas, a perfect sweet snack. Large red banners with golden calligraphy hang across the temple courtyard. Some visitors throw coins into a wishing fountain for good. Like a Buddhist monk rings a bell inside the temple, its deep sound echoing softly. A narrow alleyway leads to a hidden shrine with candles glowing in the darkness. Chinatown has several old movie theaters that now serve as cultural spaces. Many historical buildings have wooden shutters and old-fashioned balconies. As night falls, Chinatown becomes even more lively and colorful. The neon signs glow brightly, reflecting off the wet streets after a light rain. Motorbikes zoom past, creating streaks of light in the busy streets. The sizzling sounds of woks fill the night air as chefs prepare endless orders. Some restaurants have long lines of people waiting for a table. The scent of sweet and savory sauces fills the entire area. Vendors use large flames to cook fresh seafood, creating a dramatic show for customers. The nightlife here is a mix of street performers, food lovers, and excited tourists. I capture the glowing street signs with my DSLR camera, creating stunning shots. Chinatown at night feels like stepping into another world full of magic and excitement. Chinatown in Bangkok is one of the oldest and busiest districts in the city. It is located on Yaowarat Road, which is famous for its food, shopping, and cultural sites. The best time to visit is in the evening when the streets come alive with neon lights. If you love street food, Chinatown is a paradise with endless options. The area is crowded, so be prepared for a lot of walking. You will find many gold shops here, as Chinatown is known for its gold trade. Many shops sell traditional Chinese herbal medicine, dried fruits, and teas. If you are a photographer, Chinatown offers incredible street photography opportunities. The area has several beautiful Chinese temples that are worth visiting. Many of the shopkeepers and vendors speak Thai and Chinese, but some understand basic English, travel tips, and transportation. The easiest way to get here is by MRT, subway. The closest station is Wat Mankon Station. Tuk-tuks and taxis are available, but always agree on a price before the ride. If you are coming by river, you can take a boat to Ratchawang Pier and walk from there. Walking is the best way to explore Chinatown because the streets are often busy with traffic. Be mindful of motorbikes when crossing the roads, as they move quickly. If you plan to explore for a long time, wear comfortable shoes. The weather in Bangkok is usually hot and humid, so carry water to stay hydrated. Always carry some cash, as many small vendors do not accept credit cards. Bargaining is common in markets, so don't be afraid to negotiate prices. Try to visit Chinatown with a local guide if you want to learn more about its history. Food and shopping tips. If you want to try street food, look for stalls that are busy with locals. They usually have the best food. Some popular dishes to try include roast duck, dim sum, and seafood noodles. Many stalls sell fresh tropical fruits like dragon fruit, mango, and durian. If you are looking for halal food, it is better to check the menu or ask the vendor before ordering. You can find unique souvenirs here, such as Chinese calligraphy art, silk scarves, and jade jewelry. Chinese medicine shops sell herbal teas, balms, and oils that are great for health. Many shops sell Chinese incense sticks and lucky charms for good fortune. Chinatown is a great place to buy high-quality Chinese tea, including green tea and oolong tea. If you visit during Chinese New Year, the area becomes even more festive with dragon dances and fireworks. Exploring Chinatown at night is a completely different experience, with glowing neon signs and a lively atmosphere. I want to finish my video here. See you next video. Take care of your health. Goodbye.
Woody.